Hi, I'm Tyler McCray with Andy Lewis Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you for taking this time to watch this short video. We strive at Andy Lewis to give the best customer service possible. Sometimes you can prevent a technician being dispatched to your home by making these few simple checks before you call. First thing I recommend checking is your thermostat. First thing, make sure that you have it set to heating or cooling, whatever time of year. Lower or raise your temp 3 degrees depending on what season it is. Make sure the fan is in the auto position. Make sure you have power on the thermostat and the display. Next step, we're going to check the filters for the HVA system. This is very important for a homeowner. This can add strain to the system and also cause high power bills and shorten the life of a system. Now we're going to check the filter at the return vent. For proper install of a filter, always have the arrows pointing up. The air is being pulled through the filter, so all your debris and dust will be caught on the side facing down. Checking your filters is very important. They should be checked regularly to maximize the performance of your HVA system. Next step is check the airflow coming out the vent. Ensure that it is cool in the summertime and warm in the wintertime. Next step is to check the indoor unit. If it is accessible, there's a few things you can check. For one, look for condensation or water building in the pan. Next step, look at your refrigerant lines, the insulated lines. See if ice is building. Next step, see if you hear the blower running or producing any air that you can hear blowing out of the system. Next thing we're going to check is the outside condensing units. Check to see if it's running. Also, if the fan on the top is spinning and you can feel air blowing out the top. Next thing to check is the refrigerant lines. Look on the suction line with the insulation for any ice buildup. It is very important not to have the units obstructed by any landscaping. This can damage the unit and cause premature failures. While outside checking your unit, if it is not operating and running, check the sub panel. Make sure all the breakers are flipped to the on position. Next thing we're going to do is check the breakers at the main panel. Ensure that the AC and the heat breaker are flipped to the on position. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was very informative. Everyone at Andy Lewis looks forward to providing you with the highest quality service.